In this step-by-step video tutorial we are going to replace the signal cable. What do you need? A screwdriver and an opening tool. Place the opening tool in the notch on the side of the phone and open the battery cap. Lift the battery using the opening tool. Take out the 8 screws. Also these 2. Pick up your opening tool and separate the screen display. Remove the FPC cable holder as shown. Reinstall the cable holder. Place back the screen as shown. Place back the screws. Place back the battery. Place back the battery cap. Make sure it fits properly.
Nova Custom. Own your tag.